In this video, I will show you how to apply dark mode in Google Chrome for PC. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your PC and open Google Chrome. So once you're on Google Chrome, you'll need to go ahead and sign in into your account before you proceed with the next steps. Click on these three dots at the top right of your screen and then click on settings under that. Now in here, head over into the appearance tab, and under that you'll find this mode. So set this to dark, and that's basically how you can apply dark mode in Google Chrome for PC. So that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.